Hello and welcome back to the studio. It's the afternoon for drawing number 16. I had a couple things to do in the morning. I wanted to get out of the way. And I'm not going to do watercolor like I did yesterday. I'll leave a link to that. Today is going to be back to ink, and it's going to be, I'm playing with ink and water today because these are water soluble pens, and I did a little testing off camera and I think there's something I can do with this. So without any further ado, we're going to get into it. Okay, that's working out pretty nicely. I'm able to really get a nice blend by using a little bit of water and a brush. So just want a real simple background. And now because I'm trying a different technique, I'm going to go with subject matter that I'm familiar with. So I hope you're not tired of looking at trees, because I got an idea for a really interesting tree that will make use of the fact that this is water soluble ink. And yeah, we'll just get into it again. It's not a complete work. That wasn't the intent with this one. Really, the goal was to see what can I do with the materials, how can I use other techniques that I have, what happens if. That's basically what I wanted to do today. And so now I have a better idea. That's going to give me the opportunity to think about what I can do with the techniques that I've figured out. It was very intensive with the brush today. I don't think I would do that with a complete work, but really the goal was to see what can I do with the water, what can I do with the ink. And so in order to do that, it felt a bit more like painting. I think this would be something I might use just for like a real subtle background, which is what I was really missing with some of the earlier stuff and my early experiences with this medium. So with that, I'm going to call this video good, and yeah, very productive day. So yeah, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you're new to the channel, make sure you subscribe. I'm doing a video per day for the month of October, so I'll have another one tomorrow. Ring the little bell icon, and that way you'll get a notice when I upload another video tomorrow. If you have any suggestions or requests for future videos, don't forget to leave those in the comment section below. I really do try to incorporate all your suggestions. I really appreciate your input. With that, I hope you're having a wonderful day. Thank you again for stopping by. Have a good one. Goodbye.